Hi, I'm Chris Ellen and I'm here with Christos. We are part of an excellent team of chefs here at St. Raphael Resort and Marina in Limassol, Cyprus. And we are here to make some vegan truffles, some vegan orange and cacao truffles. So let's begin. This is a really easy recipe because it needs only 5 ingredients to make it happen. First, we're gonna use the pistachio nuts. We put them in the food processor, but not to blend them too much to become powder. We want them to be cut in half, so we can use them in the actual mixture. As I said, we do not want them to be grounded. Just like that, it's okay, because we need to fill the chunks when we eat the truffles. Afterwards, we start with the dates. We put the dates in the food processor. The dates, we want them to be melted like really good, so we can make them to small truffles. Afterwards, we put the cacao. Now, if you want to make it a little bit more chocolatey and less taste of an orange, you use more cacao, but you use less orange zest. You make the zest. We need the exact amount of juice because we want them to blend together. But with the zest, it depends on how much orange do you like with your chocolate. Now we put all the ingredients in the food processor and we squeeze in half a lemon juice, orange juice, excuse me. Just give it a one turn, and then we're gonna put it in the bowl and mix it together. Now it's the traditional way. We use our hands to blend all the ingredients together to make it a nice one together mixture. If you do not like pistachios, you can use other kinds of nuts like almonds or cashew nuts, or whatever you prefer. We use pistachio because it goes well with cacao and orange juice. But it's up to your taste to use whatever nuts you'd like. While we do that, we put our pistachio nuts to ground. We want them to be grounded powder because we're gonna roll the balls into it to make it like a cover. We want it exactly like that, grounded pistachios. Now let the fun start. We make the truffles as big as we want. We can make it, if it's for a kids party, we can make it really small, so the kids, when they eat a lot, because kids eat a lot, don't eat too much. Otherwise, if we want to please ourselves, we make them big. So that depends on you. I think it's pretty easy. Anyone can do it. You can do it with your kids at home. It's gonna be a nice, fun way to spend the Sunday afternoon. And now we're gonna decorate it. Of course, you can decorate it with whatever you want. Here we're using some molecular flowers, they are really, really pretty. And we're done. Thank you and enjoy.